podcast is sponsored by Easy Excel. Excel VBA Chapter 2, Define Constants. All right, so let's talk about one of the mysteries of Excel VBA. I'm just going to turn on the macro recorder here. We'll go to Developer. We'll record a new macro. I'll just leave it like this. We'll put in some stuff and some other stuff. And then let's do some formatting here. I'll take that first word and align right. And the second word will align center. And maybe do some vertical align top with that one. All right, good enough. Stop. Let's go take a look at the code. Alt F11. And we're going to come over here to our Project Explorer, find that new Module 1 that was inserted. All right, here we go. Now let's look at this xlRight. xlRight. xlBottom. What the heck is this stuff? These are known as defined constants, and believe it or not, they're there to make your life easier. In reality, what should be happening, I'm going to come down here and say print xlRight. What should be happening is that you would have to write code where you said, hey, the horizontal alignment is equal to negative 4152. All right. Think about how horrible that code would be. So whoever came up with VBA decided that negative 4152 was what xlRight is when you write a line, you're going to use negative 4152. xlBottom, let's take a look at that. That's negative 4107. Who would ever remember this stuff? Okay, so if you happen to be in an English-speaking country, you're going to love this, because what they said was, oh, well, rather than put in 4152, we're going to permanently store, in other words, it's a defined constant, the value of negative 4152 in a variable called xlRight. So the beautiful thing is you don't have to remember 4152, because who would ever remember that? You just have to remember xlRight. Notice I always type it lowercase, and then when I go to a new line I should see at least one character get capitalized. That means that I typed it correctly. If nothing gets capitalized, let's do xlRight, which obviously is a misspelling. That's not a defined constant, so that's how you can tell whether you've got it or not. It's kind of an interesting way to actually make VBA a lot easier. Just imagine how bad it would be if we had to write code like vertical alignment equals negative 4107 instead of xlBottom. Well, there you have it. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another netcast from Mr. Excel.